Maruti Swift Diesel vs Hyundai Grand i10 Diesel, real-world performance and mileage. The Maruti Swift and the Hyundai Grand i10 fill a middle spot between entry-level and premium hatchbacks in their respective carmakers' portfolio. These hatchbacks are priced competitively and offer an extensive equipment list too. If you are out in the market to buy one of these in their diesel iterations, here are their real-world performance and mileage results to help make your buying decision easier. Both the Swift and the Grand i10 get a 75 PS diesel engine. And both the engines make the same 190 Nm of torque. But while the Swift's 1.3-liter diesel engine is a 4-cylinder unit, the Grand i10's 1.2-liter engine has 3 cylinders. In the 0-100 kmph test, the Swift beats the Grand i10 as it sprints to the 100 kmph mark from standstill in 12.38 seconds, 0.83 seconds quicker than the Grand i10's time of 13.21 seconds. However, it's the Grand i10 that is faster when it comes to in-gear acceleration from 30 kmph to 80 kmph. It can do that in 7.93 seconds. 1.01 seconds faster than the Swift's time of 8.54 seconds. We think it could be due to the fact that the Grand i10's engine has a wider torque band, with the maximum torque coming in at 1,750 revolutions per minute, versus 2,000 revolutions per minute for the Swift. Just like most other mass-market cars in India, both the Swift and the Grand i10 get disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the back. In the braking test, the Swift outperforms the Grand i10 by coming to a halt from 100 kmph 45 seconds and 4.6 meters earlier. Fuel economy. With fuel prices touching new highs in 2018, a car that returns better fuel efficiency can bring some respite. Talk of fuel efficiency, and the Swift diesel returned us 19.74 kmpl in city traffic, which is only marginally better than Grand i10's 19.1 kmpl. So if you're mostly driving in the city, either of these cars is a good option from the fuel efficiency perspective. However, the Swift turns out to be the more fuel-efficient car out on the highways by a big margin compared to the Grand i10. It returned us 27.38 kmpl versus the Grand i10's figure of 22.19 kmpl. Clearly, the Swift is the car to pick if you're concerned about fuel efficiency and drive on highways more often. Still confused between these two? Check out our Swift vs Grand i10 review here. Here are the technical specs of both the cars.